So, have you ever thought about how AI that's brilliant in one country can completely flop in another?
Oh, yeah?
It's a huge issue.
Really? What's causing that?
Well, it's all about regional customization. You see,
Uh-huh.
even the smartest AI struggles when it doesn't get the local culture, language, and context.
You mean like when a chatbot in the US doesn't work the same in, say, India?
Exactly. Take Walmart's AI inventory system in Southeast Asia. It failed miserably because it didn't account for local shopping habits. They ended up with stock
Right.
shortages of culturally significant products.
Wow, so not customizing AI can have real consequences.
Absolutely. But companies that get it right, like
Yeah,
Netflix, customize their AI to recommend content based on local preferences. It boosted their engagement by 30% in 6 months in India.
that's impressive. But isn't AI customization just about language?
Actually, it's so much more than that. It's about cultural fluency, adapting to local idioms, humor, even values.
Mm-hmm.
For instance, CustomGPT.ai doesn't just translate. It molds the tone and context to fit locally.
But how do companies handle regulatory differences across regions?
Great question. They need to adopt compliance by design.
Right.
That means embedding local regulations into the AI development process.
So they're proactive rather than reactive?
Exactly. Microsoft, for example, uses modular AI architectures to adapt their systems to different legal frameworks without compromising functionality.
Makes sense. But what about technological infrastructure differences?
That's a challenge too. In areas with limited connectivity, companies are using edge computing and modular data
Yeah.
centers. This way, AI can function even where infrastructure is lacking.
It's like adapting the AI's environment to suit local conditions.
Precisely. And it's not just about the tech. Consumer behavior plays a
How
huge
so?
role. Well, cultural nuances influence how people interact with AI.
Can you give an example?
Sure, in Japan, users expect AI recommendations to be hyper-accurate due to their cultural emphasis on precision. Companies like Rakuten leverage this by fine-tuning their AI.
That's fascinating. But aren't there challenges in getting quality regional data?
Definitely. Data availability and quality are big hurdles.
Right.
It's crucial to have clean, representative datasets to train AI effectively.
And if they don't?
The AI could produce biased or irrelevant results. Like Amazon's AI recruiting tool that ended up discriminating against women because of biased training data.
Yikes, that's a significant issue. So what's the strategy to overcome this?
Collaborating with local partners is key. They provide insider knowledge that can't be gleaned from data alone. Plus, techniques like transfer learning help adapt models to new regions efficiently.
So it's about a blend of technology and human expertise?
Exactly. Companies that invest in both are seeing success. For instance, Flipkart in India uses AI customized to rural shopping patterns and saw a 20% increase in engagement.
That's a big jump. But is there any emerging trend we should watch out for?
Absolutely. Hyper-personalization is the next big thing. AI systems are starting to predict user needs before they're even expressed. Yeah.
Really?
It's like AI that's ahead of the game.
But do you think there's a risk of AI becoming too intrusive?
That's a valid concern. Balancing personalization with privacy is crucial. Companies need to be transparent and ethical in their AI practices.
Couldn't agree more. So, it's clear that optimizing AI for regional markets isn't just a technical task, but a cultural one too.
Exactly. It's about building bridges between technology and culture.
Right.
Those who master that balance will lead the future of AI.
Well, this has been enlightening. Thanks for breaking it down.
Anytime. It's a fascinating topic, isn't it?